So what can you get for $25 a month? You can get a great box. That's what you can get. Oh, wow. Yeah. And if y'all like what you're seeing in this box, I have a link down below that will save you a few dollars, so it won't even be the 25. I want to see what's in the box. Then let's get moving. First up is a brochure with a lovely person on the front. Inside the brochure, it tells you about the different products that are in this month's box, Allure for 2024 September. And first up, we got to make a choice. And that doesn't happen every month. No, but I am finding this year it seems to be happening a little more regular, like maybe every 2 or 3 months. Oh, that's nice. So we got to pick a choice from Nude Stick. There was a all over face blush color. So everyone got to make their choice, and I went with Cherry Blossom Babe. And it can be used not only as a blush, it can also be used on the lips as a lipstick. Oh, that's neat. And it has its own brush. Oh, that's even greater. Is greater a word? Let's look at this thing. Down here, where are we? Here we go. Okay, so there she is with her cap on. And then on this side, if we pop it off, help me up here. Please don't swallow that, Fatima. I'll try not to swallow it. This is the brush. Nice blending brush. Okay, let's get this back. Thank you. And then on this side, well, there we go. Sometimes things cooperate, sometimes they don't. That is the nice shade that I was most drawn to. Nice. Hang on a second. What'd you say there, girl? I said it looks very nice. Oh. I agree. And this has a value of $35. So this is full size, $35. You get your color and you get a brush. Very nice, or very great. This is a $51 item from Ren. It is an eye cream. It comes in a pump, so you don't have to dip your fingers into the goo to get to it. That's always a plus. I agree, because I don't like it when product gets under my fingernails. That just gives me the willies. Yeah. I do like Ren, and I do like a nice under eye cream. So there's something that's a plus on both levels. And let's see what the brochure has to say besides the fact that that was full size at $51. And it says that it's hard to find an eye cream that actually makes a difference. This is for brightening dark circles under the eyes. Oh, that looks snazzy and sparkly. Yes, it is. This is from Beauty for Certain. It is diamond. It is a lip gloss that can be used on its own or on top of a lip color. Oh, wow, very nice. I like snazzy, sparkly things. And this is also full size. This says it is a high shine gloss, and it is $22 in value. This is the Dear Mildred Atelier lip pencil in Stella. I'm not big on lip pencils, so I will probably pass this along, but I still think it's a great item, and it will match, I think, rather nicely with the lip shades, not only the one that I picked, but the other ones that were available as a choice, which is why I'm guessing they picked this shade. Let's check some pricing. It is full size, and it is $18. That gets us halfway through, and Anne's two favorites are the lip cheek product in Cherry Blossom and the lip gloss in Diamond. What were your favorites? Do you get this box? Let me know down below, because I'm a nosy camel. And now moving right along with this video. Next up is a calming cleansing balm called Clean It Zero. This is a sample size. Oh, that would be nice for travel. Yes, it would. Let's see what else it has to say in the little brochure. It says that full size is 100 milliliters and is $22. So expensive, yet not over the top. This is from Benella Company, Clean It Zero Calming Cleansing Balm. And what you're going to like about it, they say, is that it melts into an oil texture, easily sweeping away makeup and leaving skin softer in the process. That's great. Yes. Next up here, I'm looking at a product called Red Flower Cleansing Hair Wash Palo Santo. This is a sample size. The scent on this one, okay, not so great for my preference. It's too strong, intense, too woodsy, but that's okay. You're not going to like everything in every box. It is a sample size that I just got. The full size would be $38 for 300 milliliters. A little pricey for perfume? Maybe, but everything is getting a little pricey these days. So very true. So we have Red Flower Palo Santo Cleansing Hair Wash, and it says that you'll love the woody smell of Palo Santo, a South American tree, and the niche perfume heaven, and it's been used as natural remedies for easing stress. Well, it's not for me. It's just too woodsy. And I'm looking here to see, it is 100% cruelty-free. Essence of Palo Santo, wood, mountain grasses, eucalyptus leaves, white birch, sandalwood, and something else that's written in print that's too tiny for these old eyes to see. They do put tiny print. Yes, they do. Anyway, this one for me, too strong of a scent. If you like those types of scents, this might be something you would want to try. And last but not least, we have an extra item in this month's box. Normally, there are only 6 items. This month, there are 7. This is from Dove, and I got one of their new Dove products in a different box. So I'm glad that by dumb luck, because they said you could get one of 3 in this box. By dumb luck, I got a different one, so I've got 2 to try now. We might have to have a little battle. You never know. So this is the Dove Turmeric Milk and Lemon Drop Plant Milk Cleansing Bar. And this is a glow booster. And it's made with the good stuff, no sulfates, pH balanced, 100% gentle cleansers, skin natural ingredients. Sounds pretty good. Yes, it does. What does the brochure say? I don't know. Well, why don't you read it? That was a full-size item at $5.99 for 5 ounces. And the other options were coconut milk and sugar or oat milk and berry brulee. And I believe it's the berry one that I got in another box. So we might have to have a little battle here. And the fragrances are not overpowering. And I can tell that from sniffing at the box. Yeah, I know, I go around sniffing at things. That sounds just lovely. And it says that the scent doesn't linger on skin for long, so it won't compete with whatever fragrance you want to wear that day. Oh, that's nice. Yes, that is. So overall, a great box. What did you like best from this half of the box? I don't know. Let me see. I would say in this half of the box, I liked the Melt Away Cleanser and the bar of Dove soap. Those sound most promising for me. Let us know in the comments down below. What do you like? And again, do you get this box? I'm a nosy camel. Tell me all the details. Taking a quick look at the nitty gritty, this is a $25 a month box. Or you can get it for less per month if you go with a annual subscription, but you have to pay that all up front. Yeah, so depending upon what your budget will allow. And like I said earlier, I do have a link below that will save you some coins if you want to give Allure a try. Normally you get 6 items, 3 full size and 3 sample size. This month we got 7 items and several of them were all full-sized. Yes, I was very pleased. I think there were only 2 sample sizes, if memory serves me correct. We thank you for joining us today on our trip through this great Allure box. It was a good balance of skincare, hair care, and makeup. Hope to see you in another video. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know the routine. Bye-bye.